Hello everyone, I'm Batpan. Bat was actually recording his first ever devlog. Porting my game to Android was an adventure, full of optimization, UI fixes, and valuable lessons. But why am I doing this, you might ask? Well, after seeing how well Fractured Psyche was received on PC, I thought, why not bring this experience to a wider audience? Mobile gaming is huge, and I wanted to offer players the same experience, but in the palm of their hands. The first section of the video, camera movement, the no mouse struggle. So on PC, my game's camera worked smoothly with a mouse, but surprise, surprise, Android phones don't come with a mouse. So time to improvise. I watched a ton of tutorials, but none of them gave me exactly what I wanted, so I started tweaking things myself. After a lot of bugs and error and frustrations, I finally found the right sensitivity and movement smoothing settings that worked best for my game. But there's still one thing missing, saving the camera movement sensitivity, which I'll cover in a future devlog. So here are some footages of the camera movement that I actually worked on. I think it looks cool. Now with all that being said, let's go to the next section of the video, which is the joysticks controls, the unexpected detour. So next up, movement. On PC, I used keyboard inputs, but of course, phones don't have keyboards either, so I had to improvise again. I first tried a custom joystick solution I found online, but let's just say it didn't go well. After hours of struggling with weird movements and a lot of sensitivity issues, I finally decided to go back to Unity's standard joystick asset. But there's one problem here. I had to revert all my changes manually. That was painful. Luckily, thanks to my genius mind, I had left all the original movement code commented out. So crisis averted. So again, here are some footages of the joystick that I used while I was porting my game. I think it actually looks good, but the UI will actually change. So after covering the joystick part, let's go ahead to the next part of the video, the interact button. Simulating a mouse click, of course. I created lots of videos about the interaction system, but I never actually created an interaction system video or never had an experience on creating an interaction system with a UI button. I actually created an Android game before, but I didn't use this method inside them. Interaction was simple on PC, just left click with a mouse, but yeah, phones and no mouse. So I had to come up with a workaround. And my solution, basically I created a boolean that checks if it is true, triggers the interaction, and immediately resets to false. It's not the most elegant solution in the world, but hey, it actually works. I honestly wasn't sure if it would actually work at first, but after some tweaking, it ended up being pretty okay, so I actually said, okay. Here is an example of the interaction system with a UI button. I will actually create a tutorial about this one as well. Yeah, after ending this section, let's go to the last section of the video, the flashlight button, the surprisingly easy one. And now compared to the interaction system, this one was refreshingly simple. On PC, you press F to toggle the flashlight. On mobile, I just connected the UI button to a public void function that toggles the flashlight state. That's it, done, finished. No crazy debugging, no extra logic, just tap and boom, light. Here's actually the function working. It is very simple, just created a public void and just copied all the actual codes and just pasted them inside this public void. So that's actually very easy to do, the easiest part of this porting process. That's it for this first devlog, but there's still more to do. I would be very happy if you let me know what you think about this devlog format. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can subscribe to see more contents like this. You can tell me any comments, any opinions, any scenarios, or anything you want me to cover. I would be very happy to answer it. Thank you so much for all your support. Hope all the best for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.